Welcome to this video comparing toroidal and EI core transformer architectures. We will explore which design dominates modern power systems and why, offering insights for engineers, electricians, and homeowners. The core difference lies in their architectural foundations, linear stacking in the EI core versus the continuous loop of the toroidal core. EI cores are built from stacked laminations, creating a block shape. Toroidal cores use a continuous wound strip, forming a donut shape. Toroidal cores achieve unmatched efficiency by utilizing 100% of the grain orientation, minimizing, iron losses. This results in 90 to 95% efficiency compared to 80 to 85% for EI cores. Benefits include lower operating temperatures and reduced standby power. Toroidal transformers are significantly smaller and lighter. They are typically 50% lighter and occupy 40 to 60% less volume than EI counterparts of the same power rating. For example, a 500 VA toroidal core weighs 6.2 pounds compared to 12.5 pounds for an EI core. When it comes to magnetic field leakage, or EMI, toroids excel. The winding completely covers the core, containing the magnetic field. EI cores, with their corners, radiate stray magnetic fields, which can cause, hum, in sensitive electronics. Toroids offer superior acoustic performance. They eliminate lamination hum, are self-shielding, and provide a clean signal path, making them a favorite for improving the signal-to-noise ratio in high-fidelity power supplies. Electricians appreciate the toroid's advantages, including single-bolt mounting, compact form factor, better airflow, and robust, encapsulated versions ideal for harsh environments. Comparing technical specifications, toroids offer premium efficiency, ultra-low EMI leakage, and negligible noise. EI cores are more economical and have lower inrush current, but standard efficiency. Ideal applications reflect these differences. EI cores are suited for industrial heavy-duty applications like welding and motors, where cost per watt is key. Toroids dominate precision and audio applications, including hi-fi equipment and medical devices. The choice is clear. For homeowners and engineers seeking efficiency and a clean signal, the toroidal core is the modern champion. EI cores remain a budget-friendly industrial workhorse.